kyakyo.
Thank you so much for loving my song. Thank you so much.
Yes.
That song, Landlady Omubede, it was written and produced by That's on the Beat. It was shot and directed by Sidi Mwala.
How do you see our countdown so far? Kubango badde wakogiraba tulinamu abayimba aba Western, tulinamu aba Kampala, because in Kampala most of you batera nnyo okuba those songs of yours, tebatera nnyo okuba nyimba zaffe ng'abayimbi ba Western, but this time around fena tukikuba gwe olaba byonna biri ku one level oba waliwo ekibulamu.
About the countdown, I'm sure we made a good selection.
How is Fear Baby?
Fear, I know, it's fine, though we haven't talked for a while. Yeah.
Fano abadde akubuuza wano, you haven't done any collaboration with the Western artists. Tebatuukirira management ya Babaritah. What's the logic? Because you have no any song with any Western artist.
Yes, haven't done any collaboration with the Western artists.
Okay.
Surprising. Haven't met anyone one-to-one, but I see their music in the TV. And they haven't even contacted my management yet. But I know, anytime, we shall do a collaboration with the Western region artists.
Babaritah, njagala kubuuzaayo kano, which song do you think is our number one?
I think number one is Bailando, Venka.
How do you advise this upcoming artist abagala beeranga Babaritah, because in Western tulinayo abaana abakaba abakikuba wano abawala?
This message goes to the new upcoming artists.
Okay.
Be patient and learn to choose the right people to work with in this industry.
Sing for us a cappella of Landlady, yes, and some remarks that you are giving to people who are watching you from Sky TV, your fans, your friends. Countdown your remarks, Babaritah.
Yeah, let me sing for you a cappella. Ono mwana ndalude ndabikanga tamide asogolanga mabide byolukondo tabalirwa budde. I go be your landy lady, your landy lady. Let me own you, my tendency. We go by the by mwana yenze bulicho sawa yenze yachamagelo yenze siberie tugende beg baby, hey, call me your baby, landy lady, dada, hey, yes, thank you for loving me. Go and subscribe on my YouTube, Babaritah Muziki, TikTok account, Babaritah Muziki, my account on Instagram, Babaritah Muziki, Facebook page, Babaritah Muziki. Love you so much.
All right, big up on yourself. Tumira ku Maltino, your manager wakabi. Yes, that was Babaritah for you, and this is Sky TV. This is how we do it every Saturday, 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. and you don't have to miss out. Let's come back shortly. My name is Nimrod Omunyankore.